Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. So today I have a small Louis Vuitton unboxing to share with you guys, and I also wanted to update you guys on my old favorites, so some SLGs that I've been using over the course of the last year or so, and I just wanted to share you guys how much I've been using them and my thoughts on them. So let's begin. Hi guys, so I just wanted to hop in on here and tell you guys that over 90% of you guys watching my videos aren't subscribed, and it would mean the world to me if you guys can just hit that little button down below. It's free and you will always stay updated with my videos. And let's continue. Alright you guys, so I actually ordered something from Louis Vuitton. And I don't know if I told you this story, but I actually lost this item when I was in Istanbul. And I missed it so much, so I had to repurchase it. So this is the Louis Vuitton box with the item, and it came super cute. Actually, it came with the shopping bag. I never noticed that they actually give you a shopping bag. I don't know if I ever got this. And then this is my receipt, and as you guys can tell from the box, it's a quite small item, and I actually did a horrible job of packaging this up again. But this is the little box where it comes from, so it's a little drawer box, and I'm gonna unbox it really quickly. So just take the ribbon off, and then I just slide down the little box, and inside we have the cute little dust bag with an old favorite of mine. I actually owned this piece in the monogram, and now I have it in the habe, and it's the brand new little key pouch. I've had my old one for 5 years and then I lost it, so the hardware was already really chipped, and this one is gorgeous and super new. And then we have, of course, the little D-ring inside here, and then we have this little thing, like little care booklet. I actually never noticed that this part is actually shiny gold and this one is more of a matte gold, but this is my little key clay from Louis Vuitton. I miss this piece so much. Actually, unfortunately, these items are never in stock. I'm sure you guys know if you were hunting this down. This is so hard to get. I always inquire in the store, but it's like really horrible because yeah, it's just never in stock, and the people in the store, like the SAs, are not really helpful. They're like, yeah, just come and check in, and I'm always like, well, I don't have time to like check in all of the time. And yeah, so then it became the day of the price increase, actually it became available in the store, so I paid the new price for this, which is heartbreaking because it is so much more expensive now. The old one I actually checked with my friend, because the old one I got for my birthday, and it was 135 euros when they picked it up for me in 2016, 17, something like that. And yeah, now it's 220 euros, so I paid 220 euros for this, which is kind of steep for this little item, but I just missed it so much, and I know that I used my old one so much. I love to use this as kind of like a catch-all for my smaller bags, so I will put my cash, my cards, and then attach the keys that I need, because as you guys know, I have the 6-ring key holder. This is my 6-ring key holder, and I have all of my keys in here. And if I use a really tiny bag for the whole day, I will just put the keys in there that I need, like my house key, my car key, and that's just it. And the other keys I'm gonna leave at home, because it's actually really easy to detach the keys from this key pouch. So I just love it. And this one, I don't know, it's so nostalgic to me almost, because it was my second Louis Vuitton piece. And yeah, I don't own that many bin pieces. I think this is my second one. I just have a Speedy in the demier. Everything else I have in the azure or in the monogram. So I'm kind of happy that I have this. It brings me so much joy. Like, I love this piece. I hope this one holds as well as my other one did. But yeah, it looks really substantial. If you have never seen, you just push it up top and then you open it like this, and yeah, it's just super secure. I've never had any issues with like keys falling off of there, so, and it's just so new, as you guys can see. Like, it's so sparkly nice. I love it. And I wanted to talk to you guys about like other stuff. Like I love this key holder. I have had it in my worst luxury purchases category once because of the button, but I think they're starting to switch out these colored buttons now for the actual gold buttons that I have, for example, in this Rosalie wallet, and I really, really like it. And I actually wanted to pick up the Victorine wallet in the Damier Azur before the price increase, but yeah, I didn't manage to get it online, and then the price increase happened and now it's like 410 euros, I think. It had a little bit of a price increase. I think the SLGs, like the wallets at least, didn't have too much of a price increase, but this one, I think like 24%, which is crazy. We're gonna talk about something even more crazy in a minute, but yeah, I just wanted to give you guys kind of like an update. So this is my new old favorite and I'm really happy to have it back. Honestly, I'm not that happy to have paid the price, but I just loved it so much and I just missed it so much that I thought, okay, I'm just gonna bite the bullet because these are so hard to get and the next price increase is gonna come. And yeah, I mean, yeah, too bad I lost my old one, but the old one was pretty gross anyway. So yeah, I mean, sometimes you win, sometimes you lose, right? So yeah, I'm super happy to have this back in my collection. Like I said, I use it with smaller bags, but I also use it for my AirPods sometimes, or as a kind of like a catch-all for like hair ties and plasters and little small perfumes and my lipstick or something like that. This is also perfect for that. It's so new, and it also smells really nice. And I kind of have the feeling maybe it's a little bit different. I can't remember that they had this little D-ring right here. I have to check in with my old video. Is this made in France? So this is made in France. I don't know if they do it even made in Spain or something like that, but yeah, this is my key pouch and I'm super happy to have it back. And then I wanted to give you a short little review on this. And guys, this is so perfect. I'm so happy with it. If you've watched my videos from like a year ago or something like that, I had my old Coach wallet that I've actually sold on and I made like 25 euros from it, so that was great. And I picked up this for my birthday, so this was the birthday present for me to myself, and I love this so much. I like, obviously I use it every day because it's my wallet, but I feel like it's a perfect size even for people that carry cash. Sometimes I will take out the cash and I will put it in a little jar, and then like once, like when I have something big coming up, like me flying to Los Angeles in April, I will trade in the coins and put it on my bank account. And yeah, I don't carry that many coins with me, but I'm a person that always pays in cash, and that is even perfect for that. But if you're a person that only needs cards and maybe some receipts, this wallet is just amazing. I love it so much and I think it's so beautiful. I just love the combination of the rose ballerine and the monogram. I think it's so gorgeous. And then I also wanted to talk about this because, guys, the price increase just hit really, really big on this little item. As you guys know, this is my mini pochette. I actually had like a whole ordeal with this being like, this part being like really loose, and then they repaired it for me, and then the prices increased, but then I still managed to get it for the old price, but they wanted to charge me the new price and stuff like this. But I bought this in, I think it was May of 2020. And I bought it actually in the store in Munich. So it wasn't available, but I went inside and was like inquiring about this, and they were like, yeah, let us order it for you, and we will ship it home, and you can just like pay it here and then you will get the item home. So that worked out perfectly, and I love this little piece. But I know I won't be getting another one because I paid 245 euros for this, guys, in 2020, and now it's 550 euros. So I will probably never get another mini pochette. This will be my only baby mini pochette that I will ever get because the price is just too much. Like, I would never pay 500 euros for a standard monogram or like canvas mini pochette. That would just be like, I just couldn't bring myself to doing it. So I'm kind of scared to use it. I would want to use it more because I actually used to wear my old one before I got it replaced, or before I got a new one, as kind of like a catch-all within my bags. But then this started to get really gross, and I don't know, I'm kind of scared. This one is made in Spain, my other one was made in France, and this one is so pristine, like it's brand new. I've almost never worn it just because I don't want to get it dirty, or I don't want to ruin it, because I know this will be my only mint crochet throughout my life. So I feel like, I don't know, I feel like it's just too precious to even use it because of the price increases. So this is why this doesn't get a lot of use, not because I don't love it. I actually have my stuff in here, like I have so much stuff in here. So it's not because I don't love it, but it's because I don't want to get it ruined and then be sad about it because I can't get a new one. So yeah, this is kind of a rundown of my favorite pieces. So those 4 Louis Vuitton pieces that I really love. These 2 definitely get daily use, and this will be getting a lot of use as well. I know for sure because I already own this one, so I'm pretty sure this will get equal use than the one I used before that. I hope you guys really liked this chit-chatty video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and comment down below your favorite Louis Vuitton SLG, and I will see you guys for my next video. Bye guys!